Hello there, this is Richard from Silent Peak, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your blurry photographs. So here, using Sharpen AI, which you can try for free, I'm going to select my blurred photograph of a New Zealand fantail. And as I load it, Topaz Sharpen AI will automatically apply one of its sharpening models. And there we go. If we compare this image with the original, we can see there's quite a lot of difference already. If we go to our split screen mode, we can move between the original and our newly sharpened version. Now, honestly, I could live with that. I could export that photo right now and get it printed, but you do have the option to tweak. So the best way to do that is we can switch this off the automatic mode and choose between the 10 different sharpening models. Which is best depends entirely on your eye and the original photo you're working with. But we can see here we've got 10 models and they're sort of split into 4 different groups. We have standard, motion blur, out of focus, and too soft. And the easiest way to sort of navigate these is to go into our 4-way split screen view, which gives us the opportunity to view any 4 of those sharpening models simultaneously. So at the moment we've got standard, motion blur very noisy, motion blur normal, and motion blur very blurry. And you can change any one of these panes to present whichever model you want. So for example, this one here, I'm going to change that to too soft, very noisy. Now each time you select a model, it'll sort of tick over a little bit while it thinks about it. But at the moment, I'm still pretty happy with standard or motion blur very blurry. So I can go back to that image. I can compare it with the original. Just waiting for this to kick in. And there we go. And that is how you fix your blurry photos with the least amount of fuss as possible. I hope you found that useful. If you're looking for any other tips and tricks, please subscribe. But otherwise, I wish you all the best and have a great day. Bye-bye.